Hello folks, launched back in 1955, the Toyota Crown has had no fewer than 15 generations and all of them have been typically sold as a sedan. There were also coupes, wagons and even a pickup, but the saloon has always been at the core of the long-running nameplate. In April 2021, the name was repurposed for an SUV in China where it essentially serves as a fancy Highlander. Fast forward to 2022, here's an early look at a different Crown. Patent images obtained by Japanese magazines from the local trademark bureau show a new take on the Crown. It doesn't seem to be wearing its distinctive badge, but it's being told this high-riding fastback will indeed be sold as a Crown. The somewhat odd shape should be familiar as the Citroen C5X and China's Ford Avas have a similar body. Also, these images are very similar to the Kia K5, which is a kind of minus for the Crown, I think. The current generation is much prettier and more original to me. The car featured here will reportedly go by the name of Crown Cross. That would make it bigger in every dimension compared to the outgoing sedan, but with a slightly shorter wheelbase. Sources from the land of the rising sun claim Toyota wants to sell the reinvented Crown with a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter hybrid engine hooked out to a CVT. There also might be a turbocharged 2.4-liter with an electric motor and a 6-speed automatic. It will sit on the TNGA-K platform and come with a choice between front and all-wheel drive, with the plug-in hybrid option in the works. The official premiere is allegedly locked in for July 15th, and it's too early to say whether that rumor about a Crown SUV coming to the United States has anything to do with this car. If that's the case, it could serve as an indirect replacement for the Avalon, which is bowing out after 2022 model year. Another piece of the puzzle we're missing is whether Toyota intends to keep the rear-wheel drive sedan on sale. Hyundai is set to end the production of the Veloster in South Korea in July. That's according to a report by South Korean publication Hankyang, citing undisclosed sources. According to the report, Hyundai Motor Company is completely discontinuing the Veloster nameplate after 11 years. The move was set to bolster Hyundai's production of the next-generation Kona, as well as the sale of the Elantra, also known as the Avanta N, in its home country in Korea. Hyundai currently produces the Veloster N exclusively, dropping the standard version in the process. With the arrival of the next-generation Kona next year, the death of the Veloster should leave more space to produce the more successful nameplate. The publication also cited the market's preference, both local and global, for the Elantra N over the Veloster N. The automaker has been selling fewer Veloster N units since the introduction of the performance sedan last year. Quite understandable, since these two cars overlap in terms of performance. Meanwhile, the next-generation Hyundai Kona has been spotted repeatedly on public roads. The second-generation Kona seems to retain the split headlight configuration. It's expected that the next Kona will be revealed in full in 2023, considering that the facelifted model was just introduced in late 2020. No confirmation on this schedule yet, so let's all leave an ear to the ground until an official announcement surfaces. Hybrid and electric versions, however, are most likely happening in the new generation model. Guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel for new videos, good luck!